clear of the closing doors, please. Hello everyone, welcome to the R32 Farewell Ride. After 58 years of service, we're giving our Brightliner subway cars a bright send-off with a series of special last rides. Thank you for hopping aboard and learn more at nytransitmuseum.org. This is a 145th Street bound D train. The next stop is West 4th Street, Washington Square. Stay clear to closing doors, please. Welcome to the retirement front of this R32. In service since 1964, the R32 is the first mass-produced all-stainless steel NYC subway car, and quickly gained its nickname, Brightliner, due to its shiny appearance, and because its debut on Brightline, today train in Brooklyn.
I can't bring one.
This is a 145th Street bound D express train. The next stop is 34th Street, Herald Square. Stand clear to closing doors, please. Welcome aboard the Farewell Ride on this R32. The R32 is the only full-floor World War II car that reached the 58-year service. The train rolled out onto the subway track in 1954 with a Transfer is available for the M34 Select Bus Service. Connection is available to that train. This is a 145th Street bound D Express train. The next stop is 42nd Street, Bryant Park. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. And the shuttle to Grand Central. This is a 145th Street bound D Express train. Next stop is 4750th Street, Rockefeller Center. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I wonder how many people this is just a normal train. It's just a regular train, just a D train. This isn't as distinctive as the R199.
How many people just got on the R1 tonight thinking it was just like, oh, you know, it's just a regular D train at the station.
I mean, these are technically regular tires, so I mean, that's probably
Yeah.
Welcome to the farewell ride of this R32. Stop by and see other retired subway cars at the New York Transit Museum in Brooklyn. This is a 145th Street down D Express train. The next stop is 7th Avenue, 53rd Street. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Not now. All right.
This is a 145th Street bound D Express train. The next stop is 59th Street, Columbus Circle. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. This is a 145th Street bound D express train. The next stop is 125th Street. Stand clear to close the doors, please.
Enjoying the trip. Hey, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Yeah. There's a lot of people in the front. Small people in the front. Back here. They got the front. They got the yellow chain by the driver's cab because they don't want anyone to go in that. What? Yeah. They had the yellow chain put on the front window because they don't want anyone to go in the driver's cab. Sorry, I can't hear. Give me a second.
This is a 145th Street down D Express train. The next and last stop will be 145th Street. Stand clear because
You don't like these, you know, all those stuff you
stand clear to closing doors, please.
photos from like 10, 15 years ago, but you got some good stuff from way back in the day.
Still got so many things that I haven't even posted.
Really?
This is my.
A lot of followers, so you're good. You have a lot of followers, so you're good.
Oh yeah.
I'm slowly increasing mine little by little, you know?
Oh,
I switched mine to business account on Instagram, and it gives you all the details. It's actually not an issue. So mine is. Oh yeah, definitely. Like listen, I'm going here.
Stand clear to closing doors, please.
House goes now. I want to look at the recent photo I just posted. Go to the website. Before it was sent to 42 people, 40 received that photo, 5,158. They showed them the It gives you a lot of more things and details. If you want to search your own business. This is like the I thought I myself. If you're one like an increasing followers, it's a hashtag.
Be advised, the doors will open on the uptown platform. They will then close and reopen on the downtown platform. This is 145th Street. Transfers available for the A and C train. Transfers also available for the Bronx bound D train. This is the last stop of this train. This is 145th Street. This is the last stop of this train. This train will make a return trip to 2nd Avenue at 11 a.m. Any passengers that need service to the Bronx, transfer across the platform for a Bronx bound B train.